Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing the latest Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Here's the box. Sleek and compact, as expected from Samsung. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have a USB cable and a magnetic charging dock, perfect for a quick power-up. And of course, the essential quick start guide. Wow, look at this stunning 47mm black design. The build quality feels premium, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. Really loving this initial feel. That's a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech unboxings.